and welcome to my dream bike build. So if you know me at all, I don't know how to build bikes. So today I'm going to give it a crack with the instruction of Joey, who is behind the camera. We have not practiced this at all, but we're going to go two below and two above. We should get like nice hope ones like what you used to have.
Those are carbon.
Oh, these ones, yeah, they are very light.
S-Works carbon spacers, honey.
Is that up? I'm trying to make it look pretty. Are you sure two fits?
Yep. Doing very well.
I've changed one tyre for anyone wondering. That's my expertise with bike maintenance, and I can take my pedals on and off. I think that's about it though. Because I married a bike mechanic.
Clicking to lock in place. That's the dropper post pole.
And all of our batteries keep dying. I'm sorry for the quality of the footage if it's been crap because, oh, I just swore. I'm sorry for the
What did you see? You didn't swear.
I said crap.
That's not a swear.
It is.
No, it's not.
It gets flagged.
Nobody in the world says that crap is a swear.
Okay, in the comments below, is crap a swear word or not?
It's not much.
Thank you.
Hello, Gracie.